Welcome back. We are working our way through the Microsoft Official Academic Course Lab Manual, Configuring Windows Devices for Exam 70-697. Again, I do not own the rights to the book or the lab manual. I am providing these videos to help students walk through these labs step by step. So it's for educational purposes only. So we're going to be working on Lab 13, which is Configuring Shared Resources. Now, there's only two things in this. We're going to be looking at exercise 13.1, which is configuring printers, and then we're going to jump right into the lab challenge, which is configuring the libraries. So we're going to do all this in one video. Now, I cannot stress again, if you're working on a virtual machine, the importance of good housekeeping. What do I mean by good housekeeping? So we work with various machines throughout these exercises, and it's really easy to make a mistake. So it's always good to just go through, right-click, and create a checkpoint. This way, in case something happens during an exercise or during a lab, we can go back to that particular checkpoint. And I'm just creating checkpoints for these machines. Otherwise, we're having to go back to the very beginning to get the machines that we need to have. Create a checkpoint. And it doesn't take very long. That's something really we should be doing after each lab. Now, you don't necessarily need to do all of them just as you finish with a machine. But it's been a while since I've created a full set of checkpoints, and now I have another full set of checkpoints. Okay, so we're going to start off by going into our domain controller, and then we're going to work with CL1. Turn that on, and then click on to CL1. Start. Need server. Here we go. Like this. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while I wait to get these logged in. Alright, so we've logged into CL1 as a database administrator, and we want to go into Control Panel. Click on File Explorer, Control Panel. And we want to click under Hardware and Sound, View Devices and Printers. And up here we want to click on Add a Printer. And the printer that I want isn't installed. And we want to add a local printer with manual settings, and we're going to click on Next. And you'll see that we're going to be using the existing port, which is LPT1. And then Next. And then we're going to select HP. And then we're going to choose the HP Color LJ 1600. And then Next. I'm going to call this that. And then Next. And then Next. And then Finish. Now we can see we've added a new printer. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and right click, go into Printer Properties. And we're going to click on Sharing. And then we want to check the box that says list in directory, so it's going to be listed in the Active Directory. Then we're going to click on security. We want to click on the administrators group. We want to go back to everyone. We want to select the allow manage documents permission. And then we're going to go ahead and click on OK. Now we have to log on as CL2. We're going to log on as CL2 as a database administrator. Okay, so now we've logged into CL2 as a database administrator. We're going to go ahead and open up our File Explorer. And then we're going to go here, // LON-CL1, then enter. And we are going to right click onto the HP ColorJet, and we want to choose Connect. Okay, and I want to left click onto the Windows icon, and I want to go into Settings. And here we're going to click on Devices. And we can see that the HP Color LaserJet has been added as a printer. And it sees that it is listed on CL1. Okay, so that is the end of this exercise. Now we're going to jump right into the lab challenge. So we're going to go ahead and close out of this. And I'm going to go ahead and shut this machine off. We no longer need it. Shut down. So we're going to go back to CL1. So this is CL1. So we're going to open up our File Explorer. Oops. And we want to click on our View tab. And then under the navigation pane, we want to show libraries. So now if I scroll down, we should see our libraries. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and right-click on our libraries icon. Choose New Library. We're just going to call it when it comes up. My library. Okay, and then we want to go into, we're going to double click it, oops, and choose Include a Folder. And we want to select Documents, then Include Folder. And then we're going to go ahead and right click on my library and choose Properties. And here we're going to click on Add. We're going to click on the desktop and then Include Folder. And then we're going to go ahead and do OK. And that is the end of the lab challenge, and the end of this lab, and the end of this video. The next video we'll get into lab 14, which is configuring file and folder access.